everyone, it's Victoria. Welcome to today's video. I cannot tell you how thankful I am that this arrived so quickly. This little baby boy is due any day. What's the date today? The 11th, and he's due on the 15th. I don't know if I'll be able to get this video up before he's born or after he's born or whatever, but I'm just so thankful that this box is here so I can still sit down, film this video, open it up, and it won't be like super late in the month or something. I truly look forward to Boxycharm every single month. It is just like a little special treat and a gift to myself that I look forward to so much. I have heard such good things about this box, and I'm really hoping that I got the Natasha Denona palette. I have one other palette from Natasha Denona that I just love. Her formula is so creamy and gorgeous, and I just really hope that I'm one of the people that got her palette. But anyways, this thing is still sealed. Like I haven't opened it up yet, but I'm super excited too, so let's do this. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. They have 3 different things you can subscribe to: the base box, the premium box, or the Boxy Luxe. I believe the Boxy Luxe is every 3 months, and it's $50 for that one. This box is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. So worth it to me, in my opinion. If there's at least even like 2 products that you love out of it, you just got your money's worth. Plus, like, you get the extra 3 and you can always resell it on Facebook Marketplace. I save a lot of mine for like birthday and Christmas presents and such too. It's just like a huge fun thing all around. The premium box I have gotten in the past as well. I've actually gotten both the premium and the base box at the same time before too, but I just don't like the premium box as much. It's $10 more a month, and they say you get 6 to 7 full-size items in that, but they've only ever sent 6 items, and I just don't feel like the value for money is as good as the base box. So I've just personally found that the base box is just overall more worth it, and it's less expensive, so that's a huge perk. But anyways, without further ado, let's open this up. No, my battery's almost dead. Dang it. I really need to buy extra batteries, darn it. I guess we'll just open as much as we can before my battery dies, and then I'll just have to wait. But don't forget to subscribe. I would love that. And you can follow me on social media as well if you would like to. But anyways, let's just start opening this. Maybe we can get through this video before my camera dies, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's do this one first because I think it might be the palette, and I really hope that it is. Peak palette. Oh my gosh, I can't, I'm so excited. Yeah, so this is the Peak palette, I guess is what this is called. So pretty. I am loving these colors right now, and I love that there's just a nice cream. I usually start off with just like an easy cream, and then this would be perfect for like in the crease, and then, oh, this is so stunning. I'm so happy, you guys. Look at that sparkly one. Oh man, okay, we are off to such a good start. I love this. This actually has like a little bit of a rosy shift to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's mostly like a golden orange, but it does have a little tiny bit of a rosy hue to it. Those are magnets. So that's supposed to happen. Okay, so I noticed that this one, when I was swatching it, it was a little bit loose, and so I was worried that it might fall out. So I just tapped it in my hand a couple times, and then like all 5 of the shades came out. Okay, so you can just maybe just rearrange it. Okay, hold on. I gotta pick up these off the floor. None of them broke, so that's good. I'm so surprised that nobody mentioned that these are like magnetic. Maybe nobody knew. But yeah, you definitely just set them in there. Okay then. They're in a different order now because I just put them in there. But interesting. So I guess they're like interchangeable magnetic things. It doesn't say that anywhere. They stay in really well, but you just can interchange them. I'm curious now if my other palette does that too. I'll have to go and check, but I don't think that it does. Let's see what else we got in here. We also received something from Bodyography. This is an eye pencil, a 2-pack eye pencil. Are they like colored eye pencils? Ooh, okay, so that's black walnut. Ooh, is that like, maybe that might be like a dark brown? And then it looks like we have a regular black. I honestly don't really wear eyeliner all that much, especially eye pencils. I usually go for like a liquid eyeliner or just use like a black eyeshadow or a colored eyeshadow. I've been wanting just like a regular brown. Here's the black one and then there's the brown. So fun. Okay, cool. These aren't something that I super need, but I'm excited to have them, and I have wanted a brown eyeliner for a while, so sweet. Next up, I think this is, yep, our brow product. So this is a product that I chose. Unfortunately, I am like pretty sure that this is definitely not my shade. This is their Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. This is by Benefits. This is in the shade 4. I don't know, maybe this will work. It just looks like so warm toned. Doesn't that just look really warm toned? I don't know. I'll just grab this mirror. Just try it out really quick. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. I think that actually will work pretty well. Sweet. Okay, cool. I'm glad that things are working out today. What do you guys think? Did that like give them benefits? I think that give them benefits. See what I did there. Okay, I think that actually looks pretty good. I thought for sure that this was not going to be the right shade. They didn't have that much of a selection, and like the darker shade had already sold out, so I just was like, well, I'll go with this one, and it looks like it might actually work out, so sweet. I think that is an awesome product to get in the Boxycharm. I know that that one is more on the spendy side, so I'm really excited to have it. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt. I really wanted this one too. This is the Antioxidant Spray Toner. The Sephora sale just ended, and I was like this close to buying a new toner, but I thought, no, like just wait. I'm sure I'll probably get another one in a Boxycharm. The other 2 toners I have, I also got in Boxycharm. So I just thought, just wait. I'm sure one will come. And sure enough, I'm so stoked about this. So this is with green tea and white tea extract. Says it's supposed to protect against free radicals, leaves the skin revitalized, and improves the barrier. Awesome. I'm really excited to try this tonight. I'm so happy to have received this. This is a pretty good box. The only product so far that I'm like, meh, I didn't really need that was just the eyeliner pencils. But the other ones, I'm like, this is sweet. Okay, so this is our last one. We might actually be able to beat the camera battery. I'm really surprised. This must be like a palette, maybe? It's wrapped in, it's wrapped in bubble wrap. What? Oh my gosh, I am shocked that I got 2 palettes. Usually they don't give you 2 of like the same category. Twist. I am super surprised. This is the Beauty Creations. I've never heard of them, but it's their Cali Glow palette. Oh. This is a face palette for this is a highlight palette to be more specific. How beautiful. I don't have very many highlights. I'm not that much of a highlight girl, honestly, but I actually am wearing a bit of a highlight today. Sometimes I like to get spunky. I just have really oily skin, so usually it just brings out texture and the oils in my skin, so I don't usually go for it. But like I said, sometimes I do like to have fun, and lately my skin has been really nice. And moving into winter and stuff, the air is usually drier, so my oily skin's not as bad, so I can get away with wearing these a bit more. This is so fun. I'm just gonna swatch these on my palm. Wow, okay, yeah, they're very highlighty. This one definitely ended up being like a little chunky with just the swatch. Zoomed in so you can see kind of a little bit more true to color, like what those look like. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, what a fun box, you guys. That went by so fast too, but we were kind of like fighting against the clock, you know. So happy to have gotten this. So happy. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Boxycharm is awesome. If you guys haven't tried it before, I have a link in the description box. Highly recommend. It's so much fun. Like, buy it for someone for Christmas time. What a fun gift that would be if you got them like a few months or something. Okay, now I have glitter and everything like all over my hands. No complaints. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was super short and sweet, but I just get so excited about these boxes. I can't wait to go through them and open them and see what we got. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing so good. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media as well if you would like to. That would be amazing. As usual, I hope you are doing super good, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.